Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MetaMask extension on Chrome for Polygon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Then, click on Extensions. In the Extensions page, click on it and select Open Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type MetaMask and press Enter. Locate the MetaMask extension in the search results. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the MetaMask extension. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a MetaMask icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. When prompted, you can either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you choose to create a new wallet, click Get Started. Read the terms of use and click Agree. Create a strong password and confirm it. Then, click Create. Follow the instructions to secure your wallet's secret backup phrase. Make sure to write down this phrase and keep it safe. Once you have saved the phrase, confirm it by entering it in the provided field. Click All Done to complete the setup. Now you are ready to connect MetaMask to the Polygon network. Click on the account icon in the top right corner of MetaMask. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on Networks. Click the Add Network button at the top right. Fill in the network details for Polygon. For the network name, enter Polygon Mainnet. For the RPC URL, use https://polygon-rpc.com/. For the chain ID, enter 137. For the currency symbol, you have successfully installed MetaMask and connected it to the Polygon network. You're now ready to start using MetaMask with Polygon on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.